Suppose data was collected on size in square feet of several houses and price in dollars. The data was then used to construct the scatter plot that you see here. Write a few sentences describing the relationship between the price and the size of these houses. Are there any noticeable clusters or outliers? So remember, clusters are when there's a group of data all bunched together. So you might only say that this one is a cluster and this one's a little too far apart to be considered a cluster. And then you might even say, well, this one's way out there by itself, so it might be considered an outlier. There appears to be a positive trend to our data, so we could say as the size increases, so does the price. There appears to be a cluster for houses that are below 3,000 square feet. There is also an outlier, which is over 5,000 square feet. There aren't going to be as many houses over 5,000 square feet because that's a huge house. This scatter plot was constructed on the length of alligators in inches and the weight in pounds. It asks us to write a few sentences describing the relationship between the weight of and the length of these alligators and if there are any clusters. Well, again, there does seem to be a positive trend. This one appears to be more of a curve than a linear relationship. You could say non-linear relationship. But you could say it's increasing. You might notice that there are clusters between 60 and 100 pounds. 100 inches. There don't appear to be any outliers. It looks like they all kind of fall along that trend. But there are significantly less alligators that are more than 110 inches long. You just make sure that you go back through and you phrase these in complete sentences because it does ask for a few sentences describing the relationship. Number 3 says, suppose the scatter plot was constructed using data on years of Honda Civics and price in dollars. Write a few sentences describing the relationship, and it asks if there are any noticeable clusters or outliers. Clusters are those collections of data points. So, in this one, it looks like as the age increases, the price is going to decrease. So you could say there's a negative relationship. It does appear to be pretty linear as well. That was with me. Pretty straight. There is one that appears to be an outlier, which is this one right here. It just kind of stands off from the rest of the data points. So you could say an outlier at 10 years of age. There are several clusters as well. There's a little collection of points. So there are several clusters. And you can say as the age increases, the value of these cars decreases.